Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Pooja. So today we will see how to apply a tempered glass screen protector on your phone without any bubbles. So this is the tempered glass screen protector which I ordered from Amazon. So I have provided the link in the description, and in the box they have provided installation frame, 3 tempered glass screen protectors and a cleaning kit and an installation guide. So these are the cleaning kits. Okay, so first step is to switch off your device, then remove any cases or previously installed screen protectors from your phone. So I don't have any screen protectors, and I have also removed the back cover. Now the first step is to wipe off the screen with wet wipe that is given in the cleaning kit. So this is the microfiber cloth, dry cloth. This is the sticker, and this is the wet wipe. So you need to take this wet wipe and wipe off your screen. It's very simple. This is how you can do it. Now the next step is to take the microfiber cloth which is provided with the cleaning kit and dry it off, wipe it dry like this. Now the next step is to use this dust removal sticker to remove any remaining dust. So this is optional, you can skip it. If there is no dust, no need to do this. So next step is to attach this alignment frame to your device like this. It is very easy to attach. Now take your screen protector and you can peel off the bottom of the protector. I'll show you how to do it. So you need to just pull it off like this. Now just place this protector into the alignment frame like this. And now you can see it is getting attached to it. So you can see a bubble is formed. So to remove it, like after a few seconds, if the bubbles remain, so you can gently lift the corner of the protector until the bubbles disappear, and just leave it and press from center out using the cloth like this, so that no bubbles remain. So now you can see there are no bubbles now. Now you can remove your frame. See, the screen protector is installed perfectly without any bubbles. So if you see any bubbles, you just need to lift the corner of your screen protector and reapply it. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.